everyone, so as you just saw, me and my dogs just got back from a kind of cool walk. It was alright, but it was a bit chilly. You can tell it's November now, it's pretty cold, so yeah, fun times. I'm just making myself a coffee. First coffee of the day actually, which is really not good. So yeah, then I'm going to tackle some dishes, and I ain't going to show you the dishes because it's bad. And my throat feels better today. It does feel a little bit better, but like I'm noticing when I speak, like today when I'm speaking to a camera or anything like that, that it's like not as like difficult to speak. Like I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes like when I say something, it's sort of like it goes high pitched like this, and then it's normal and it's high pitched, so it's not like what it should be. But today I haven't had any of that. It's just my normal voice, and it's weird because when this happens to you, you don't realise normally what your voice like. Well, you know what it sounds like, but you don't really concentrate on how you speak or how you say whatever. So like when this happens, you all of a sudden like, oh, okay, this is what my voice like supposed to be like all the time, whatever. You take more like a thought into it. I don't know what word it is, but anyway, I'm gonna make a coffee, edit yesterday's vlog. Hopefully it doesn't take 10 hours to upload like yesterday's. And yeah, I got little Rubino in here with me. Hello Ruby, did you enjoy your walkies? Yeah, was it a good walkie? Yeah. Oh, Ruby's birthday present came in the post today. Super excited for her to get it because she's been stealing happened again. Yeah, she's been stealing daisies for the last couple of days, and it's just no fun that she's been stealing Daisy's ball. So hopefully when her birthday comes in a couple of days, that she won't be stealing Squeak anymore. Eh? Where's Squeak? Where's Squeaky? Squeak, Squeak. Squeak. Oh, Daisy's got it covered. Daisy's got it covered. Ah, Daisy's got it covered. You found Squeak? That'll be mine, thank you very much. Get it then. So I was just making dinner, and little Ruby has been sick. No. Poor little Ruby, she's been sick the entirety of this area, so I just cleaned it. Because I know what happened last time, everyone kind of went mental at me because I filmed puke on me when, yeah. But yeah, I don't know, it was something to do with a leaf. She ate a leaf and it made her sick because in the sick there was a bit of leaves in it, so yeah. So I just had a shower and I'm looking a little bit better. See, my fins really isn't all that squid, so a little bit where I need to cut off. But yeah, it does look that squid a little bit, but it's not bad. It's doable. So yeah, just had a nice shower and got washing on, so I got some fresh clothes for tomorrow. So I've just got another few minutes to go, and then I've done the dishwasher as well. So that's getting done, so that's pretty good. So yeah, and then tomorrow I'm seeing my friend. I haven't seen yet. And then tomorrow I'm seeing my friends in town for a little bit, so yeah. So I'm basically had a shower, done the housework, so yeah, and I got the vlog uploading, and it's uploading quicker this time, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Look at this monkey. She's so playful today. Oh my god. Morning guys, so it's the next day. As you can probably tell, I kind of forgot to end the vlog last night. I got super tired and then I watched a few films, and yeah, I just kind of forgot to vlog, so yeah. By the way, ignore this part of my hair. It happens every single time. Like normally, like the day after I've had a shower, my hair goes all frizzy and all crazy. And yeah, that's normally what happens. And that boy will be getting taken off her when I go out. Because normally she destroys a ball and then there's little pieces lying everywhere and she swallows it and it's not good, so yeah. So, thank you. I'm just gonna put it in there, I think, for now. But yeah. So, sorry today's vlog is super short, but tomorrow's vlog will carry on from here. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. And my phone's going off, so I gotta go. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Goodbye.